Tungsten prices up 500% in 2026. Tooling costs up 15. Still absorbing costs in machining? What's really burning money is low efficiency. SIGER Data Adaptive Machining System to hardcore efficiency upgrade. Real-time power monitoring, auto parameter tuning, optimized feed rates, cycle time down 10-30 per part. Output up, cost diluted, compatible with major systems. Fits all types of machine tools and machining centers. Add WhatsApp or comment trial on site test by engineers. Pay only if it works.